Welcome back. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate both my new and my old subscriber. Thank you all so much for always coming back. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and be showing you. Also, I'll be assembling it together so that you all can see how I'm going to put this pole together. This pole was sent to me by an Amazon seller. They reached out to me and they wanted me to, to try their products, and so of course I accepted. That's why I'm here. All right. Anyway, before we move on, if you're wondering what lashes I'm wearing today, I just wanted to put that out there. Not if you're wondering, let me correct that. This lashes is by Star Lash Odette, by Odette. I'll put the link in the description box. Also, I'll put her name on the screen, and this is the style called Romeo, and she's so simple, she's so stylish and classic. If you wear glasses, it will be nice for you because it doesn't touch your glasses. All right, this is just by the wayside. I just wanted to put that out there. This is the style Romeo, once again by Star Lashes by Odette. All right.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
And also, before I continue, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified every time I have a new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into today's video. All right, so the product I'm featuring on the screen right now, it's by Asta Outdoor Inflatable Swimming Pool. It's 120/72 × 24. I think those are the inches, the weight, and the height. All right. And when they reached out to me, they asked me if I wanted to try their pool product. I was like, why not? Summer is around the corner, so this is a very good time for me, and for a very good time for me to do this kind of to accept this kind of products, because it's gonna be very valuable for me and also for most of you out there that you might be interested in a pool to put at your patio or at the back of your house or wherever it's comfortable for you to display yours. I actually did my at my patio because I don't want to go outside like in the front of the house, and I decided to do it at the back of my house. So I had to move I have to move my umbrella, my patio set. I have to move them out of the way in order for me to to display it and to show you guys how I set it up and all that good stuff. So when they reached out to me, they asked me to pick the largest size, which is the one I'm featuring today, and this one is sold for $99.99, roughly $100 if you round it up, and it's very large. It's family size. It's room for all ages to play and relax. It's sturdy and spacious, inflatable pool. I already told you guys the size. I don't want to keep reading everything word to word to you. Very fast and easy. Yes, very fast and easy. You're all going to see it, and it's sturdy and it's very stable. Yes, of course it is. It's portable and multiple use, which you are going to see. It's very beautiful. Honestly, I don't want to prolong the video by telling you they have different sizes. They have the one that is 103/69/24. The one I have is 120/72/24, and the smallest one is 77/56.3 inches by 23.6 inches. All right, so and I'm just going to tell you what this thing is made of, and it's durable construction material. It has 3 chambers construction, which is the layers, which you all will see it. Sorry, I use glasses. So it's chambers construction with a premium PVC and extra thick bottom panel combined for longer life and more playtime. The pool is made with environment friendly CPC certified PVC material. All right, so you don't have to be worried. It's certified and it's safe, but I'm still going to encourage you, don't leave your little one unattended in the pool. Even though it's the one you have behind your house, it's still dangerous. Somebody can drown, God forbid. So make sure you're always there whenever you have your little ones. playing in the pool. So without wasting much of your time, before we move on, I'm gonna drop the link to this product in the description box, just in case if you're interested in patronizing them. And I will encourage you to do so, because we all can't even go anywhere. Like in my city, they are open up, but I don't think anybody want to go in a pool that a lot of people that you don't know from Adams are going to be in there. So you might want to get your own private one for your little ones to have fun this summer. It's still very cold now, so I just needed to do this review. Yeah, you can touch it. Summertime we bring it out again.
That's very cold.
Yeah.
Like, it's getting freezing.
It's so cold.
So, I will show you to swim in a pool.
During summertime. Yeah, because it's cold now and you're shivering. All right. So when I went to the back of the house to set it, you all might have seen it. It's so cold, and my little one was like, "Oh, it's so cold." So it's still really, it's kind of still cold, not super cold. So we couldn't be able to swim and do all that good stuff inside. He just stepped in and he started shivering. You all have seen him talking. So that's basically it. So, and I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.